Priest Lake, considered by many as Idaho's crown jewel. It's a natural wonderland that is not spoiled or crowded like a lot of other lakes. It consists of 23,000 acres beneath the majestic Selkirk Mountains. This is one of the most beautiful wilderness areas in the United States. So let's take a look at it, shall we? What's up, guys? It's Bryan Ingham with Ingham Realty. Welcome to another episode of Enjoy Living in North Idaho, where I talk about and show you all of North Idaho. So if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. The location of Priest Lake is up in the North Idaho panhandle toward the top. The top of the lake is only about 15 miles from Canada, and it's about an hour and a half drive to the Coeur d'Alene area. A little bit about the history of Priest Lake. In the 1840s, Jesuit priest Pierre Jean Desmet named the lake Ruthon Lake, but it was renamed Canicsu Lake and then later renamed Priest Lake. In the late 1800s, they were doing a lot of logging on Priest Lake, and then they wanted to conserve the natural resources, which led to the Forest Reserve Act of 1891. Which preserves a lot of the Priest Lake forest on the east side of the lake. So you've got thousands of acres of hardly touched, unspoiled Idaho playground right there at your fingertips. All of this public land is just full of wildlife. Lots of deer and moose and bears and all kinds of wildlife there, which makes for really good hunting in this area. And there's lots of fish in the lake as well. Interesting fact, the largest lake trout caught in the United States was caught at Priest Lake back in 1971 and weighed 57 pounds 8 ounces. That's a huge fish. There's not much industry today up in the Priest Lake area, so it's mainly just a tourist town. The population is only 500 people, and it goes up to about 2,500 people in the summertime. So it's not a very densely populated area. There are several large private resorts and campgrounds that are very popular that are run by the state of Idaho. There's lots of hiking trails, and in the winter time, they have cross-country skiing, snowmobiling, and snowshoeing. The lake's largest town is located on the southern end, and it's called Coolin. The Priest Lake area is known for its huckleberries, which visitors are encouraged to hike in and pick. Since Priest Lake is 19 miles long, you got tons of water activities like boating, swimming, fishing, kayaking, paddleboarding, all that good stuff. Another activity you have there is Priest Lake Golf Course. North Idaho golf courses are just so picturesque with all the trees and greenery and mountains and lake. It's just a beautiful spot to golf. This is a public course with competitive rates, and it has beautiful homes all around it. If you want to be in a beautiful rural area, this may be the place for you. There are several small towns around the lake, but they're really small. There's not really much to these towns at all. Coolin has a nice marina area, and it has a restaurant with a patio overlooking the lake, and there's a general store there, but that's about it. And the town also has some other restaurants as well. You have other small towns nearby like Lamb Creek, which just has like a gas station and a store and a church there and a restaurant. Not much else. And then in the northern part of the lake, you have the town of Nordman, which just consists of a store / post office. Not much else around there. Oh, and of course, a public library. It's a beautiful drive driving through this area. There's just a lot of empty space, open fields, trees, mountains, all of that. And apparently planes just kind of fly in anywhere on an open field. I'm going to talk about some of the homes and a couple other things in a minute. But first, if you guys are thinking about moving to the North Idaho area or a beautiful place like Priest Lake, please give me a call, send me text or email. I'd love to answer any questions that you have. I've been helping people buy and sell real estate for over 20 years now, and I'd just love to guide you. So you have a few different home types around the lake. In some of these towns, you do have some regular streets, regular neighborhoods, regular houses. You also have some acreage properties around, which is nice to have to spread out a little bit. And there's some beautiful golf course homes I mentioned earlier, some really nice houses on the Priest Lake golf course, which is just a beautiful picturesque neighborhood. But of course, what a lot of people want in this area are the waterfront homes and condos, which you have a lot of those all around the lake. And there's some pretty sweet homes. You got your own dock, you got your boat there, overlooking beautiful, pristine Priest Lake. It's a great spot to have a vacation home or retirement home or whatever you're looking to have. Prices up here range from $320,000 for one of the small regular homes up to $4.8 million for one of these nice big beautiful homes right on the water, with the median price being $895,000. You've got some beautiful weather in this area. You got the 4 seasons, just like we do down in the Coeur d'Alene area, but they do get a little bit more snow there. They get about 81 inches of snow, which is about almost twice as much as the Coeur d'Alene area. And if you are thinking about living up here year-round, one thing to consider is there's not much for healthcare in the area. So you got to drive to one of the bigger cities like Sandpoint or Priest River or down to Coeur d'Alene or any of the towns in North Idaho. So what do you guys think? Does Priest Lake look like the spot for you? You should at least come up and visit it. Go to one of the campgrounds or resorts and check it out. It really is a beautiful, untapped resource, a very picturesque lake. If you guys like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. That way you'll know about all my new videos when they come out. I'm putting out new videos every week showcasing the whole area of North Idaho. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.